Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blomberg Dryer, updated. Begin by confirming the dryer is level and the vent is clear, then load clothes loosely for airflow and choose the appropriate program. Select sensor dry for mixed fabrics and low heat for delicates. Empty the lint tray after each use and schedule monthly condenser and filter cleaning to maintain performance and prevent odors. This part walks through the main controls and program choices so you feel confident selecting settings. Turn the knob to choose preset programs like cotton, synthetics, or delicate, and press start to begin. Use timed dry for bulky items and sensor dry for everyday loads to prevent overdrying. Enable anti-crease if you plan to remove clothes later, and monitor the display for cycle progress and any alerts. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful appliance tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes chores easier and fun, a small tech boost for busy homes. Check the description for the link and other deals to compare features and savings, and now let's get back to the video. Routine maintenance keeps your dryer running reliably and reduces service calls over time. Remove lint after each use and clean the condenser unit monthly to maintain heat exchange efficiency. Check the vent path and external exhaust for obstructions and empty the water container when prompted. Wipe door seals and the drum interior to prevent residue buildup and odors, and consult the manual for error code, troubleshooting, and recommended service intervals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.